In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a document to PDF in Lucidchart. Whether you're finalizing a project or sharing a clean, professional diagram, exporting your work as a PDF is a key step. Let's dive right in and make sure you can do this efficiently. To start, make sure you have your Lucidchart document open and ready. At the top left of your screen, you'll see the menu bar. This is your gateway to a variety of commands and options. Look for the word File. It's usually in the uppermost corner, nestled among other standard options like Edit and View. So go ahead and click on File. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu with various actions and features. Once you've clicked File, a list will unfold. Among these, you'll find the Export option. This is your next step towards downloading your document as a PDF. Click on Export. By selecting this, you're telling Lucidchart you want to save your work and share it in a format that's both widely compatible and easy to distribute. After clicking Export, you will be presented with several formats. Look for the PDF option among them. PDF, short for Portable Document Format, is ideal for maintaining the design and layout of your document across different devices. Click on PDF, and Lucidchart will prepare to transform your diagram into a polished, shareable file. The next step is straightforward but crucial. You need to click on Download. This action will start the process of converting and saving your diagram as a PDF directly to your computer or preferred device. Depending on your browser settings, the file might automatically start downloading to the default download location, or it may prompt you to choose a destination. Make sure you know where you're saving it so you can retrieve it easily later. At this point, your document should be saving as a PDF file, encapsulating all your hard work in a secure, static format that you can send to colleagues, display in presentations, or keep for your own records. It's a simple process, but remember that exporting a file repeatedly for major edits doesn't have to be a hassle. Just revisit these steps anytime you need a fresh PDF version. And there you have it. You've successfully exported a Lucidchart document to PDF ready for sharing and printing. This method is perfect for preserving the fidelity of your work and ensuring it reaches its intended audience without any loss of detail. Thanks for watching, and feel confident in using this feature anytime you need to distribute your charts and diagrams.